Hey guys, it's James from GigaPress.net. In this video, I'll be explaining, are WordPress themes a one-time purchase? Well, according to the general public license that governs all WordPress software, WordPress themes are technically a one-time purchase. Any theme you purchase is yours to use and modify as you wish. However, some developers are asking for higher fees when it comes to ongoing updates and support. But is it really a good investment? You probably know that WordPress.org has a wide range of free themes available, and it's an excellent choice if you're just starting out or have a limited budget. However, some site owners find that these themes don't quite meet their needs. So why can purchasing a theme be beneficial? First is the updates. Paid themes generally offer regular updates and bug fixes for a certain period of time, usually 6 months to a year. These updates ensure that your theme remains compatible with the latest version of WordPress and includes the latest features. Those are important for maintaining security and functionality, keeping your site running smoothly. Another big advantage of paying for a theme is access to support from the developers. Most premium themes offer a period of support from the developer. This support can be invaluable if you encounter any issues or need assistance with customization. And finally, the quality and expertise. Paid themes are often developed by professionals with extensive experience in design and development. This expertise results in higher quality themes that are well-coded, optimized for performance, and visually appealing. Investing in a paid theme can enhance the overall professionalism and reliability of your website. So, instead of learning it yourself or hiring someone to do it for you, you invest in a premium theme from a reputable developer. But what happens if you don't renew your theme license? If you purchase a premium theme and reach the end of your support period without renewing your license, you can still continue using it as is for as long as you like, and you can keep using the theme indefinitely. But there are some potential consequences you may face. You may no longer receive updates from your themes, and you won't be able to access the support from the developers. So you might face bugs, compatibility issues, and security risks. So where can you buy premium WordPress themes that are truly a one-time purchase, including future updates? Number 1 is StudioPress. StudioPress is a longtime leader in WordPress theme development. They're also the people behind the Genesis framework and its many beautiful child themes. All StudioPress themes are sold as a one-time purchase, with lifetime updates and support included at no extra charge. Number 2, ThemeForest. ThemeForest, part of the Envato market, provides a wide selection of WordPress themes with a one-time purchase fee. Each theme is sold individually, so you pay once for the theme and get lifetime access. Support from the developer is available for 6 months after the purchase date, with options to renew your support period if necessary. And number 3, Astra Pro. Astra Pro offers a premium version of its popular theme with a one-time payment option. While Astra Pro does have a Pro version that includes advanced features, the initial purchase is a one-time fee. If you choose to upgrade to Astra Pro with the one-time purchase option, you will continue to receive updates and support indefinitely. So that's all about it. WordPress themes can be a one-time purchase, but it's generally well worth the investment to continue paying for ongoing updates and support. For more WordPress tutorials, our free WordPress masterclass, and fast and reliable web hosting, visit gigapress.net. Thank you, and see you next time.